Alright guys, today we are working on the wife's car, which is a 2008 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Go ahead and replace the air filter. We'll do an oil change on it. Get it all cleaned up. Oh, we're also going to do the cabin filter. And got some stuff for it. We got like a steering wheel cover, front license plate, stuff like that we're going to put on. Just a little sludge. Well, while that oil was draining, got the oil plug out draining, I was looking for the oil filter, and I couldn't find it underneath for nothing. But let me get this in here where y'all can see, maybe, hopefully. Turn it on. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna get to it either. Y'all see it down here? There it is. Hopefully I can get my arm in there and just turn it, but you can't really get to it from underneath. So there's the top of the engine. You go down here to get to it. There it is. But if you look underneath it, you get all that stuff there. So even if you took this little plastic cover off underneath, you still really couldn't get to it. So I guess you'll have to get to it from up top. So that's a little different. I will see what I can do. Alright, well, took this cover off here. And there it is there. So I should, well, it's still not a great angle, but I should be able to get in there and turn it from there. That'll be the best bet. They got some kind of, looks like drip tray here or something. Actually, I'm not sure what that's for, but that's what it looks like for some reason. As you can see, some of these bolts, threads are gone. So, looks like I'll be finding me some new bolts. Of course, then some are fine. Probably have to re-tap these holes out too. Let's see. Yeah, she's not really even trying. This car came from up north. It wasn't up there long, but you can see it's long enough to get this little stuff here. And see, in Arkansas, we don't like all that. But there's no rust holes or anything in this car. It's all superficial. Like I said, in Arkansas, we just don't like seeing that. So, but this car has no rust issues anywhere. Just, you know, Don't like the sight of it. But anyway, alright, I will set this back up and get this oil changed up, and we'll move on to the cabin air filter. Alright, well, that's where you put the oil in. I had a filter, but apparently when you're filling the filter too fast, it comes out here, drips down, and as you can see, gets oil freaking everywhere. So, got me some cleaning up to do, but oil's in there, so we'll get it started, get warmed up, let it set, and then see what level we're at. I did get in the owner's manual, and it does take 5 quarts. It doesn't look like we got 5 quarts out of it, and it's pretty actually nasty looking. So this is actually the first time I changed the oil on this vehicle. We haven't had it that long. K&N does not have a K&N air filter in it. Alright, so you just squeeze the sides in here, let it go. Like I said, I'm not sure what this is, but looks like it's part of the thing that holds this up. It goes in this little hole here and connects right here. But anyway, then this little panel right here pops up, and it looks like the AC filter there. Looks like there's some tabs on both sides. Yep, you just she's pretty nasty. Your cheapo eBay part, made in China. Yeah, believe that. Yeah. Usually on the filters they'll say this end up, something like that, but I guess it's good. It's in there. Put that back in there. Looks good to me. That oil is pretty dark, and it only pulled 3 quarts out of it, so I don't see an oil leak when I was down there. But I don't know the last time this oil's been changed. Got some little bird visitors over here. What you doing, bird? Come up to me. Get on. Alright, well. Alright, get the oil cleaned up, put some stuff down, and then try to wash it off. But anyway, while we're waiting on this thing to warm up some more, I got the AC going so the engine stays running. I'm going to go ahead and put this steering wheel cover on. It's fancy. That's fancy. It's on there. They won't let go of my fingers. It's done up to operating temperature, so we'll go ahead and move to putting this license plates on the front. It's vanity one. We don't have to run front license plates here in this state. There's already some holes drilled in the bumper, so we're gonna go with them. Alright guys, it's probably got operating temperature. That's the front license plates and thing that goes around it. My wife didn't pick this stuff out. Mother's Day she got the license plate vanity thing, and then the thing goes around it. And the steering wheel cover I actually bought for anniversary, so if she hates it, she didn't tell me. It's on there. We got the oil changed. Got the AC filter changed, got the engine filter, air filter changed. So now we'll clean it up. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the details, but I'll come around and get all this stuff cleaned up.